आज हम लोग वर्कशीट 2 से क्लास 8 का कुछ प्रॉब्लम क्वेश्चन करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, दिशा साइकिल्स टू हर स्कूल एट एन एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ 12 किलोमीटर पर आवर। 12 किलोमीटर पर आवर, 12 किलोमीटर पर आवर। यानी दिशा साइकिल से स्कूल जाती है 12 किलोमीटर पर आवर के स्पीड से। इट टेक्स हर 20 मिनट्स टू रीच द स्कूल। टाइम टेकन टू रीच स्कूल is equal to 20 minute time according to the time in which she wants to reach school is equal to 15 minutes. Okay. Then what should her average speed? What should her average speed? Here, a speed is in kilometer per hour and the given times are in minutes. So we will convert into meter per minute. Multiply 12 into 1000 and 1 into 60. 1010 cancels, 6 to the 12 is equal to 200 meter per minute. So we will form a table. Speed, AVG speed, time, in minute। जब स्पीड 200 मीटर पर मिनट है, इन मीटर पर मिनट। स्पीड जब 200 मीटर पर मिनट है तब वह 20 मिनट का समय लेती है, और जब वह चाहती है कि 15 मिनट में डिस्टेंस कवर कर ले तो उसका स्पीड क्या होना चाहिए? लेट द स्पीड शुड बी x। लेट हर रिक्वायर्ड स्पीड will be x meter per minute। Since we know that if with the speed of the 200 meter per minute she takes 20 minutes, To cover in less time, she should increase her speed. To cover the distance in less time, she will have to increase the speed. This means one of the thing is decreasing and another is increasing. So here it is varying inversely. So we write here, since variation is inversely. So in inverse case we will write 200 into 20 is equal to x into 15. Okay? So it will be x is equal to 200 into 20 upon 15 meter per minute. Now we will convert it into kilometer per hour. So 200 into 20 by 15 we will multiply by here 60 and here 1000. 15 4 ja इतना this kilometer per hour. Now 2 to the 4 4 ja 16 kilometer per hour. This is our required answers. Okay. Now our next question will be 12 number question. Have you all solved? Not done fast. The last question. A garrison of 120 men has provision for 30 days. At the end of 5 days, 5 more men joined them. Number of person is equal to 120. Duration is equal to 30 days. Increased person 5. Number of past days 5. Okay. Remaining days on passing after passing 5 days after 5 days, after passing 5 days, uh, after passing 5 days, remaining days, is equal to 30 minus 5 is equal to 25 days. Number of total person after increasing 5%. (120 plus 5), 125%. Now we will form a table with the question is at last saying that how many days can they sustain the remaining provision? The remaining provision can last for X days net. I have written here, let remaining provision can last for X days. Now number of days, number of persons, number of days, number of persons, one in 125% using in 25 days, but number of person, number of days, 125% can use one 20% can now use for 25 days, then 125% will sustain in next days. At this time, old 120 after passing the 5 days, 120% can eat till the 25 days. So we can say 125% can finish in how many days? Then we can X days. When number of days will increase, number of person will increase, then number of days will decrease. Take the example, if you can eat the whole day bhojan, you can eat the cooked food in your family whole day alone, but if 10% will join you, then in how many time you will finish? Less than 1 day. So number of person increased, number of time decreased. This will be here. Since variation is inversely so 25 into 120 is equal to x into 125. 25 5 the 5 2 the 10 5 4 the, this means 24 days. This will be our answer. Correct. Have a nice day. Revise this worksheet. Homework. Revise worksheet 2 with these problem questions and send.